Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today we're going to be working on this circle wreath that I made from all supplies from the dollar store except for the little flowers. Those I just had on hand. But this is really easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. And here are the materials that we'll be needing for today. And I start off by just grabbing my mesh and some floral wire. And I'm just going to be tying this to the inside of the wreath. You could also use hot glue if it's easier for you. And once you feel that's secure, we're just going to bring our mesh over to the inside and we're going to be pulling it through each of the openings of the wreath. And it's a little hard to explain, so I'm just going to let you guys watch, but I'm basically just pulling some ribbon through each of the openings of the wreath. And once we have our 3 loops, we're just going to scrunch them over to one side. We're going to keep holding them and then twist and then repeat again. Just keep feeding the ribbon through the holes. And you can always use hot glue to secure it better, but I feel like it's doing a good job at staying all together, so I'm not going to use hot glue this time. So I'm just going to keep going, repeating the same steps. I did end up using 3 rolls of mesh for this project, but you could use more or less, it's up to you. And here I'm just tucking in the end of the ribbon so it doesn't show, and it does a good job at just staying in place. And now it's time to add any decorations you want. Since I'm going to do skeleton fairies, these skeletons were perfect, so that's what we're going to be using. I also grabbed this pack of butterflies, and that's what I'm going to be using for the wings. What I like about these butterflies is that they have 2 layers, so the top layer is see-through, and that's what I wanted. So I tried bending the skeletons into shape, but that didn't work, so I just ended up cutting them and then gluing them back into the shape that I wanted them. And once you're happy with the position of your skeleton, it's now time to glue on the wings. I'm going to repeat the same steps to make the rest of my fairies, and they're just going to sit on top of my wreath like that. And here I have all my fairies done, and I'm just kind of weaving them into the mesh, and they do a good job at staying in place, but you could also use hot glue if you like. To finish off the project, I thought it'd be nice to add some color, so we're going to be adding some sunflowers, and I just happen to have these on hand from a different project. Here we have the finished project. I got so lucky that the sun was shining on it and it just looks so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work, and just thank you so much.